Well, looks like that's it. Another show over with. All I can think of now is to remind you, if you want a decent night out, a drink and a dance, get over to John Alker's on Friday night at 7 o'clock. Good band on, decent DJ, you'll have a good night. And from me for now, I'll see you this time next week.
You snickering floppy-eared hound. When courage is needed, you're never around. Those medals you wear on your moth-eaten chest should be there for bungling at which you are best. So stop the pigeon, 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 stop the pigeon. Ow!